Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello link cards between boards, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open the Trello app or website and log into your account. Select the board where you want to create a link card. Find the card you wish to link from this board. Open the card by clicking on it. In the card's details, look for the Share option. Click on the Share option to reveal the card's URL. Copy the card's URL to your clipboard. Now, navigate to the board where you want to add the link card. In this board, create a new card. Open the new card you just created. In the card's description or comments section, paste the URL you copied. Press Enter to generate the link. You can edit the title of the card to make it more relevant. Once satisfied, click Save or close the card. The link card is now set up and connected to the original card. This allows you to easily navigate between both boards. You can customize the link card further with labels or due dates if needed. To test the link, click on it to ensure it redirects to the correct card. You have now successfully installed a Trello link card between boards. This method enhances project management by improving visibility and access to related tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.